Hey friends, welcome back to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak and you can also call me Ankur. We are on the CRUD operation suggested by Mashad Zayed, and thank you Mashad again. And we have covered the create part in the last episode and also in the part 13 of to-do list mini project. So in this episode we are going to learn about the read section, that means show part of the CRUD operation or read part of the CRUD operation. For that, here you can see that we have generated the resource controller, and resource controller has given us this function, that means show function. And our goal in this episode is that we want to click here and we will show the title and body together in a separate page. Okay, so how will we do that? For that, I will just go to my command prompt and I will type here php artisan route list, and you can see that here is the list of the routes you have with the resource controller. So for the show part, what we have to do, we have to go with the get request on the URL of to-do slash, here is written to do in the braces. That means here comes the ID part. Okay, so when you go to this URI, that means when you go to do slash, let's say 1, then if you hit enter, then there is a blank page. Why blank page? Because when you hit that URL, you have redirected to this controller's method, that means on the show method. Or where is that show method? Here is that method. So you can see here is written ID. So let's just return that ID, return ID, and let's refresh. Okay, so you can see 1 is written here. When I will type 10, so it will return 10. So that means we are on the correct path. Okay, but we don't want to manually type this. We just want that when we click on this item, we will redirect to that part. So for that, we have to make this title a clickable, and for that we have to go to our home.blade.php and just wrap this title inside an anchor tag. Here's the anchor tag. Let's see it become a anchor tag. But how will I redirect to that part? For that, here we have to type to do, and after that just give the ID of that item. So let's see the result. Click refresh and there is a problem. Oh, there has to be a dot for the concatenation. And yes, and you can see in the at the bottom here there is a correct URL. So when I click here, it will return 1, and when I click here, it will return 2. So but again, we don't want the ID, we want everything related to this title. So we only have title and the body. Let's show these things. So we will go to to-do controller, and instead of returning ID, I will return a view called show in to-do folder. So when I refresh and click, and we will get an error because we don't have any show.blade.php. Okay, so we have to make that show.blade.php. For that, I will just go to my resource and view and to do, and here I will create show.blade.php, and here I will just extend what, layout.app, and let's see the result. And yes, we have the result correctly. We have to find that item with the ID. So for that, we will just type here item, and for that item I will say to do find, and find with this ID, and just pass this to do with the compact method, and in the show.blade.php I will just say section name is body, this is a blade part, so end section, and we will just give a margin, and after that heading has title, that means to do dash title here, and wrap in the braces and just refresh, and there is an error because undefined variable to do. Why? We have passed the to do compact. Oh, here is item. So we will just type item and click refresh, and yes, this is here, but I want this at the center. So wrap all these things in a div, and that div, this has class of call lg offset 4 and with call lg4 again, and let's see the result. And yes, this is at the center. And after that, what I want the body part. So here I will say p tag, and here I will just give the body and nothing else. And yep, we have done the add show part. So let's see another. This is title 2 and this is another body. So we have successfully done the show part, that means the read part of the CRUD operation. So if you have any doubt in this part, just feel free to comment me, and if you have any doubt in any section of my tutorials in anywhere of your projects, then please feel free to comment. I will surely respond to your question. And please subscribe to my channel for new updates, for cool updates, for fun updates about the Laravel. And you can follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Please share this video with your developer friends. And in the next episode, we are going to learn about the edit part or the update part of the CRUD operation. So stay tuned and wait for the next part, and we will meet in the next episode. Till then, bye.